Xiaoxin Tablet Pro 14 unboxing. Let's get started. And this device doesn't have a quick release design, so you'll have to use a knife to open the box. You still need to cut open the top and bottom seals separately. This seal is quite tight, so I'll peel it off little by little. I'll just put this here. And the main unit. The picture above indicates there's a magnetic attachment point here, where its dedicated pen can attach to charge.
This generation supports the second generation Pro Stylus. The first generation's charger head and cable are all placed together here. This generation features 45-watt charging.
Our version is grey, and it looks quite large, yet it's pretty thin. Let's turn it on. The power button is here. Okay, let's power it up first. Okay, once it quickly boots up, you can see this screen is very clear because this generation has upgraded the resolution to 3.5K and also has a 144 Hz refresh rate. The screen quality itself is also very high. It still has the P3 color gamut.
Customers familiar with the Xiaoxin family should already know that Xiaoxin devices have consistently utilized LCD displays. This is primarily because when compared to OLED panels, LCD screens are significantly more gentle and friendly for users with sensitive eyes. Previously, we offered 12.7-inch Xiaoxin and Yoga tablets. These new models essentially feature a further enlarged screen size and a significant boost in resolution.
The most important thing to note is that this generation's processor has also received a rather significant upgrade. Let's take a look. Its processor has now advanced to the Snapdragon 8 SC4, and the processing power of this particular chip is notably superior to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is featured in the 11.1-inch Pro GT model. Then, this SC4's AI capabilities are quite strong, so after this tablet was released, it's mainly for entertainment and learning. Why do I say that? Because when we combine the powerful AI capabilities of this processor and then integrate our Tianqi intelligent agent along with the Tianjiao Academy, it can truly transform into an incredibly effective tool for young learners. Additionally, it comes pre-installed with the full PC version of WPS Office. And if you combine it with its built-in magnetic keyboard and also the stylus, it will certainly become an indispensable and excellent assistant for all your office work. And the exclusive magnetic keyboard and pen for the 13 have also arrived. Now let's do an unboxing. This is the second generation stylus and the original magnetic keyboard. It's compatible with both the Pro 13 and Pro 13 GT models. This right here is the magnetic back clip, and there's also a sticker right here. This is the original keyboard that came with it. Let me just open up the pen. The pen also comes with an extra tip, and the white one looks great. Okay, after a little while, the magnetic keyboard and pen are unboxed. Now let's attach them to the tablet. This back panel, it has a log logo here. Next you turn the tablet around and just align the camera, it magnetically snaps right into place. Only the upper section attaches magnetically, the lower part folds to create a stand for the tablet, and it stays firmly in position. The keyboard is quite simple. It connects magnetically to the tablet through its contact points. Just snap it on. And you'll hear a sound. Once it's magnetically attached, it's all set. And the pen also attaches magnetically to the tablet via this contact point. Just one magnetic snap and it's good to go. So the first time connecting this pen to the tablet requires a Bluetooth pairing process. It's also very quick. We don't need to do anything. Just wait a moment. And this is the overall impression. So I just had a quick try of this pen. It has a great many features, which I won't elaborate on in detail here, because we're now directly sending out samples for public display. And if you'd like to get an early experience with this Pro 13, including the external display we unboxed previously, you're welcome to visit our store anytime to try them out. So that concludes this video.
The second generation Stylus Pro. So today I simply couldn't resist the urge to share with you this stylus, because after having had the chance to experience it, some of its interactive features are quite innovative and truly novel. Whether we're using a pad for our daily note-taking or for studying, or even to integrate with AI to search for any relevant applications, its operation is remarkably convenient. All right, without further ado, let's dive right in and demonstrate some of its convenient smaller features. You'll notice that our second generation stylus connects to the pad using a magnetic attachment, and this magnetic connection isn't just for holding, it also charges the pen simultaneously. The charging speed is remarkably fast and the magnetic hold is very secure. The very first time you attach the pen, the magnetic connection will automatically establish a Bluetooth pairing between the pad and the pen. I also took a look at the original box of the second gen pen. The original box comes with a nib, but after comparing, its thickness should be the same as the one that comes with the second gen pen. It's just a replaceable nib. The second gen stylus supports global quick annotation. Just like pressing the original pen before, if we just press the tail slightly, it will have a vibration feedback. Look, this has already become global annotation. We can write directly on the screen in any interface.
After writing, if you need to save this page, just press save. If you don't or accidentally activate it, just press the tail again and it will vanish. The second gen Stylus's tail also has a rotate to erase function. See, just rotate it and wipe over the text you just wrote and it becomes an eraser. This generation of Stylus also has a very practical function. For example, when we're browsing web pages daily and we find a sentence that's really important and want to save it, we just need to gently pinch the pen tip and it will provide haptic feedback. Then we simply select the text you want to keep and it will integrate with its built-in AI. This AI will access several modules, for instance, AI explanation, AI translation. For translation, it can go from Chinese to English, Japanese, and Korean. We also have an AI summary feature here, which can summarize what you've just said, AI refinement, and AI continuation. If we find a section it summarized particularly well, for example, if it translated something really well, we can simply copy that paragraph and then save it to the tablet's built-in notes or a text document for your future reference and use. First, let's check out some quick functions of the Gen 2 pen tip. Double tapping the center point twice changes the tip type. Swiping up is copy, swiping down is paste. And after each touch, you get haptic feedback confirming success. Finally, let's discuss the tablet's compatibility with various styluses. This is the Gen 2 stylus and this is the Gen 1 GT stylus. Both support haptic feedback. This generation is the Xiaoxin Pad Pro, specifically its 14.5-inch stylus. They all feature magnetic attachment and charging capabilities. For instance, if you take the GT stylus, it snaps right on, and then it starts charging. The Xiaoxin Pad Pro's own stylus, it snaps on, and it's also charging. If connected for a long time, this pen will automatically connect to the pad. Once automatically connected, it will activate the pen's built-in vibration function. This shows that all three pens can be used on this pad. Such a wide range of quick interaction methods for now are exclusive to this second-gen stylus. Okay, let's move on to the final test. I've got a cute third-party stylus here. It can interact normally. For example, tapping any app works fine. It can support swiping and clicking on apps. All of that works. So this simple intro to styluses is done for today. On Labu, we'll have a full family service. Now, if you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment anytime. That's all for this episode. Bye.